So to turn on, you'll see the lock, LO, which means lock. It's a child safety mechanism. H means hot. We just used this. This is just a demonstration to turn on this Empava stove. So we have to take out the lock security. We have to press on this lock button here until it disappears, then we are good. So once that LO lock button is disappeared, this is the power on and off button. We have to press this one hard, and then you'll see these lines here. That means it's good to press find your burner. So it needs a metal pot. So for example, we're using this one, so this is this one here. So I'm gonna choose this burner. So you can adjust it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 I think is the highest. 9 is hot, 1 is not hot. And so that's how to make it work. And now it's really hot. And now to turn it off, you have to power off. And now you don't see the lines anymore. It just says H, which means hot.